Hey guys, Matt here from Lano Equipment. And what I've got for you today is this monster Moritz FDH DT series trailer. This one's a gooseneck model, but it's a 30-foot deck, 5-foot tail, 25,900 pound gooseneck deck over trailer. Let's see what we got on this thing. This trailer comes complete with aluminum monster ramps that are spring assisted, that are easily releasable with one hand. Just like that. And if we head on over to the wheels here, these come fully equipped with electric over hydraulic brakes. And that's not just brake assist, that's physical brakes inside of these wheels. If we move on up to the gooseneck, this trailer comes with full hydraulic jacks and a toolbox here up front. This Moritz FDH DT series gooseneck trailer, again, 30 feet of deck, 5-foot tail, could be yours for $26,900, and that's before license and registration fees. So get down here, pick yours up today.